है ना इस घर में नहीं, तुम्हारे सर में।
She's trying to harm me.
What a trailer, Bipasha. Both scary as well as sexy. It's after a long time we are seeing you in this bold avatar. Can we say that the Bipasha Basu of Jism is back?
Well, I said this initially. Somebody had asked me during, some time back. Yes, it is. It's quite an interesting role because I get to play two people in one film. So there's a kind of a switch that I have to have, and it's a love story. It's very passionate. It is definitely the horror genre. It's going to scare you, but it revolves around a love story. It's a love story between a man, woman, and a ghost. So that's very sexy. Like I said, sexy is the new scary. And you will see a lot of passion, a lot of love in this film. And yes, it is definitely going to be my boldest film that I've ever done. Yeah.
Off late, you accepted that you're doing horror films. Do you think you're being typecast as a horror?
Yes, ma'am. This business is all about typecasting. You guys, everybody wants to typecast. When you talk about the biggest of actors, whether it's Salman Khan, whether it's Akshay Kumar, everybody seems to be doing their same kind of films. So everyone's typecast. And if the audiences want to see you that way, then definitely you can't take that away from them. So you have to give them what they want to see you as. And at the same time, you have your own creative juices flowing as an actor, and you decide that you want to do some different kind of projects at times. So you need to keep a balance of both. So it's okay to be stereotyped here because we make very few very different films. My intention is to be a part of those films, and if horror genre is going to give me that podium, I'm going to lap it up.
भूषण सर, इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है. दिस फिल्म इज बेस्ड ऑन अलोन, थाई फिल्म. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि क्या ये फिल्म पूरी तरीके से रीमेक है या कुछ आपने चेंजेस लाए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉलीवुड व्यूअर्स इसके हिसाब से?
गुड क्वेश्चन. कुमार जी ने राइट्स लिए हैं इस फिल्म के. इट्स अ थाई फिल्म कॉल्ड अलोन. तो लेकिन वी हैव अडैप्टेड द स्क्रीन प्ले. वी हैव अडैप्टेड इट टू द इंडियन ऑडियंसेस बिकॉज दैट्स अ थाई फिल्म. तो उनमें जो कहानी है, जो इक्वेशंस है, इंटरपर्सनल इक्वेशंस, जो हॉरर भी है, दैट इज केटरिंग टू द थाई ऑडियंसेस व्हिच इज अ लॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम आवर ऑडियंसेस, जो हमें पसंद है, जो हमारे ऑडियंसेस को पसंद है. तो बेसिक थॉट वो है जो थाई अलोन में था. लेकिन आई हैव changed a lot inside the film. So when you see the film and then you compare the two, you'll know what I'm talking about. Lekin काफी it's an adapted screenplay. Let's put it that way. I've adapted the screenplay, changed it to my own liking.
You were doing television quite successfully. Your last show was a big hit, and then you left, and you're quite popular on the television circuit. When was that transition point in your career when you decided that no more TV and you want to do a film? As you said that script was excellent. So a cliched question to ask that will you go back to TV again after the film?
I actually would like to clear a few things.
Yes, please.
See, I don't think there is a progression or a transition from one medium to another. It's the same art form on different mediums. So it's not, it just, we need to stop defining it or calling it a progression or a transition. You're just either acting on television or you're acting in plays or you're acting in films. Your art remains the same. So saying that it's not that I'm going to do television very soon or be on television very soon, but there are a few things that have come up that you could see me in the future.